Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion app versus web. We'll explore the dedicated workspace offered by the desktop application and the universal access provided by the web version. Both platforms deliver the complete range of Notion's powerful features. Our comparison will focus on key aspects like performance, overall convenience, and the distinct advantages each platform brings to your workflow, helping you decide which is best for your productivity needs. The Notion desktop application often provides a noticeably smoother and more responsive user experience, especially during intensive tasks. A significant advantage is its offline access, allowing you to continue working even without an internet connection. Furthermore, custom keyboard shortcuts can dramatically boost your productivity, saving you precious seconds throughout your day. It also integrates seamlessly with system notifications, ensuring you stay informed about important updates and reminders. The web version of Notion offers unparalleled accessibility, letting you access your workspace from virtually any device with a web browser. There's absolutely no installation required, making it perfect for quick access on shared or public computers. It also automatically updates to the very latest version without any effort on your part. Plus, you can leverage various browser extensions to add extra functionality and integrate with other online tools, enhancing your overall experience. Ultimately, choosing between the Notion app and web version depends on your specific needs. For dedicated daily use and essential offline work, the desktop application is generally the preferred choice. However, for maximum flexibility, quick access, and minimal setup, the web version truly excels. Many users find value in utilizing both versions, switching between them based on their current tasks. The better option is truly subjective, aligning with your unique workflow and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.